It's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, June 3rd. I'm James Spann. The weather nice and quiet. Chance of rain very small. And the weather warming up. It's going to feel like summer by the weekend. Check it out. There's a water vapor satellite view this morning. An upper low is over eastern Tennessee. And again, around the base of that, the dry air has been circulating in from the west. You can see it better in that water vapor channel there. Any showers today should be confined to near the Georgia border and mainly south of Roanoke down to about Dothan. The rest of the state should be mostly dry. There's the old watch warning map. Man, it's quiet this morning, and that's a good thing. Later today, storms will mainly fire up across the Great Plains. Active day for Nebraska and the adjacent states. Around here, a marginal risk near the Georgia border. But the better chance of showers and storms should be east of our state. Tomorrow, standard slight risk again for parts of the central and western high plains, and pretty much the same deal on day 3, which is Friday. Looks a lot like summer. Rain for the next 5 days. Good news for Texas and Oklahoma, nothing. Around here, not much. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. We'll probably start to see a few isolated showers maybe by the weekend, but widespread rain not going to happen for a while. Day 3 of the Atlantic hurricane season is quiet. But over in the eastern Pacific, that's a big storm. That is Blanca becoming a major hurricane this morning. It'll be heading up toward Cabo San Lucas this weekend, but it will be weakening, thank goodness, by then because of cooler water. But that still could bring a lot of rain and some wind to the Baja California Peninsula over the weekend. And some of that moisture could wind up in the southwest United States, maybe enhancing the chance of rain for either Arizona or New Mexico early next week. Okie-doke, model fans, GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. The upper low is centered around Asheville, North Carolina. And we're kind of on the dry side of that, and the weather today should be dry with mid-80s, a good supply of sunshine. And again, there might be a shower near the Georgia border in spots, but that's about it. Tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. We'll leave it dry. And technically, the chance of rain is not zero, but it's only a 10% possibility of any one spot getting wet. Same thing on Friday. Upper 80s are likely Friday. And the weekend just not changing. That Saturday looks pretty dry. The high should be around 90. And really the same thing. Sunday, maybe a little better chance of an afternoon shower, but they'll be widely spaced. We note the GFS ramps it up to 92 for a high on Sunday. That'll be kind of hot compared to recent days. And Monday of next week, again, that's not an overwhelming look for rain there. Maybe an isolated shower. And Tuesday, looks like the moisture increases, perhaps a better chance of showers and storms by then. And this is Wednesday of next week. Hey, look at the trough coming in here. That's a pretty high amplitude pattern for June. A surface front approaching, and that might bring a little enhanced chance of showers and storms by midweek. Fronts don't come around here that often this time of the year, but they can from time to time. This is the end of the forecast, the end of next week, Friday, June 12th. The trough is lifted out, winds aloft or light. That looks like a very typical summer pattern with a risk of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. Temperatures coming off the ensembles for the next 15 days. You can see it ramping up to highs at or just over 90 for the weekend and early next week. Lows not too far from 70 for most of the period. And the temperature anomalies June 10th through June 16th, above average out west and over Florida. And again, around here, temperatures probably about where they should be for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.